Yeah, you have to hold it sideways.
What?
You have to hold it like that, or else the thing's messed up.
Hey, Harper.
Kiki, Kiki! Kiki, Kiki, baby!
How was school today?
You getting her legs and stuff?
Didn't learn how to talk, huh?
Do you love the tub? Woo! Get it, Kiki! Rub your feet. There you go. You
This is
got
a
your
family
toes.
video.
Sorry. We got our toes. The baby found her little feet. Where are those baby feet? Oh, look at you.
It's an awfully quiet bath for you.
Here they are. There's those cute feet again. Baby feet.
You got nothing to say, huh?
No words.
Alright, bye everybody.